County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, west central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Birdsboro, or 10 miles east of Reading, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Pottstown, Emmaus, Souderton, Birdsboro, Hatfield, East Greenville, Schwenksville, Valley, Bechtelsville, Green Lane, Zionsville, Spring Mount, Jerryville, Gilbertsville, Chadarville, Stowe, Telford, Sellersville, Boyertown, and Pennsburg. This includes northeast extension between mile markers 32 and 51. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for eastern and southeastern Pennsylvania. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for eastern and southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Lehigh, and Montgomery. The severe